Welcome to my YouTube channel, Big Ideas Simplified. Today, I'll be showing you easy to follow steps for making Aloo Paratha. If you like my video and learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel below. Leave me a comment if you have a question and I'll respond as soon as I can. This is my Indian dish documentary, where I'll show you how to make Aloo Paratha, a flatbread stuffed with mashed potatoes. Here are the ingredients and equipment I use to make the Aloo Paratha. First, potato preparation. Wash and scrub the potatoes. Next, boil all the potatoes in an instant pot for 10 to 15 minutes. While the potatoes boil, prepare the dough. Measure the flour called atta and add salt and oil. Then, gradually add water and mix the dough. Start kneading the dough to make it smooth and soft. Cover the dough and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are done, peel the skin, let them cool, and then transfer them to a bowl. Mash the potatoes, then add the garam masala, salt, and cayenne pepper. Mix until everything is combined. Divide the dough into equal balls and roll each one into a circle with flour. Place the potato filling in the center. Bring the edges of the dough together to the center and pinch to seal it. Flatten and roll the dough ball using a rolling pin. Use dry atta as needed while rolling. Heat the skillet, also called a tawa, and make sure it's hot. Transfer the rolled paratha onto the tawa. Cook one side for a minute until partially cooked and then flip over. Apply oil to the side facing up. Flip again and apply oil on the other side. Once finished cooking, transfer the paratha to a plate and add some butter on top. Here's a look at the final dish. Have a taste of the Aloo Paratha with some yogurt. Yum! Some of the key ingredients in Aloo Paratha include potatoes, garam masala, cayenne pepper, and atta. The two ingredients unique to India are atta and garam masala, which is ground mustard, coriander and dill seed, red chili flakes, bay leaves, and more. All of the ingredients can be bought from the international section of any grocery store such as Freshco. In the Rajasthan region, the filling of Aloo Paratha is made of potatoes, nutmeg, and spinach. In comparison, Aloo Paratha from the Jammu and Kashmir region is stuffed with a local variety of pomegranate seeds. Aloo Paratha is traditionally prepared by family elders. This dish is typically cooked on a flat iron pan called a tawa. It is often enjoyed for breakfast year-round. Aloo Paratha is usually eaten with curry, yogurt, or chutney. It is an everyday dish enjoyed by all ages. In my preparation of Aloo Paratha, I used an instant pot to cook the potatoes, while in India they are often boiled. I also used a modern tawa, which is lighter and smaller than traditional cast iron versions used in India. Next, I made this on a gas stove versus over a fire. And lastly, I used oil instead of clarified butter called ghee in India. To answer the inquiry question, a country's food is geographically shaped by its climate, agriculture, and available resources. In India, for example, the northern regions, with their colder climate, favor wheat-based dishes like Aloo Paratha, while the use of spices such as turmeric and cumin is widespread across India due to the country's warm climate. Culturally, food represents societal values, traditions, and social structures. Aloo Paratha, a simple and savory dish, is enjoyed both in everyday meals and festive occasions, demonstrating how Indian food can adapt to different social circumstances. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Big Ideas Simplified content.